Is it possible to uninstall or disable iTunes in OS X? iTunes is always popping up on my HTPC Mac Mini and I don't use it. It is running Snow Leopard if that makes any difference to the solution.
Of course, check out the Apple support article, Removing iTunes for Mac OS X. Note, no longer links to the expected article, appears to have been removed. Update, here's an article for removing iTunes, in Lion.
If you want to just disable it, run sudo chmod x/applications/itunes.app. It won't work anymore. If you want it back, just sudo chmod +x/applications/itunes.app. On more recent versions of macOS, you may need to disable sub. Power off your device. Power on your device while maintaining Command key and are pressed. Once you reach the recovery system, select Terminal from the Utilities menu. Type xrootle disable and then reboot. If you want to revert that back to the original protection, run the same steps but replace with xrootle enable at step 4. Check the current status with xrootle status in any terminal window.
If this is happening when you insert a music CD or DVD, then it's easy. System preferences is greater than CDs and DVDs. In the drop-down list labeled, when you insert a music CD or DVD, select Ignore.
How I disabled iTunes. Highlight the non-running iTunes app and click Command I, and under Sharing and Permission give yourself access to read and write. You may need to give yourself root access first. Compress iTunes in case you want to retrieve it. Move iTunes to the trash and click Delete. You may need to open Activity Monitor and quit the iTunes Helper app first.